Okay, so another thing I get asked a lot is when you are starting your hand sewing or any finishing, how do you tie a really good knot in the end of your thread? It might sound like a really simple thing, but I do have a little trick for this that I teach all students in my sewing school, and I just thought you'd like to see how I do it. So I'm going to use this really thick embroidery cotton to show you. So basically all I do is I hold it between my thumb and my forefinger, and then I wrap it round a couple of times, and then whilst holding that, so it's basically crossed over in between my thumb and my finger, I just roll it between my fingers, and then it sort of starts to twist up. And then if you pull on that, it creates a little knot. So obviously you can practice getting it further to the end, but if I've done it like this quite slowly and it's gone higher up, I just trim that end off so that the knot and the end of the thread is nice and short. So I'll just do that one more time. So wrap around once, hold it between my thumb and my finger, roll it off my finger, and pull. And now it looks even bigger because I managed to get them both on top of each other. I'll just show you again, but with a finer thread. I don't know if you can see this blue thread clearly enough. So wrap it around once, twizzle between my fingers, and pull. Slightly trickier with finer thread, but can you see that little knot there? So now you can thread the other end through the eye of your needle, and that's how I tie knots in my thread.